Hello, my name is Jake and welcome to Sheet Plastics. In this tutorial we will walk you through installing MagnetGlaze Pro secondary glazing. MagnetGlaze Pro uses a steel strip that adheres to your window frame, paired with a magnetic strip that adheres directly to the glazing sheet. One of MagnetGlaze Pro's standout features is its ease of installation. The system is designed to be user-friendly. This allows the glazing panel to be fixed and detached with minimal effort, and that means there's no need for experts. When it comes to cost efficiency, MagnetGlaze Pro stands out from other secondary glaze installations. It's a budget-friendly method that significantly enhances insulation. Furthermore, by bolstering insulation and curbing further heating, MagnetGlaze Pro contributes to a reduction in the carbon footprint. MagnetGlaze Pro offers a fast and easy installation process. It combines the ease of magnetic strips with an aesthetic appeal. For larger or draftier windows, choose MagnetGlaze Extreme. This accommodates 4 to 6 mm sheets and includes wider 25mm strips for a stronger hold. Note that MagnetGlaze is not suitable for exterior windows or internal windows that move. For this installation, you'll need the following tools: tape measure, small tooth saw, pen and paper, a miter block, as well as a pack of MagnetGlaze Pro. To start the installation, make sure there's at least 20mm of space around the window, as the glazing panel will overlap this area. For this installation, we are using 2mm sheets, but you can use 3 or 4mm sheets for larger windows. First, measure the length of each side and add 33mm onto each measurement, accounting for both horizontal and vertical sides of the panel. Once you know how much secondary glazing magnets you need, visit our website and order the correct glaze and accessories kit. Once you receive and open your kit, make sure you wipe down the secondary glazing and a window before installation. Place the sheet on a table and remove the white metal strip from the MagnetGlaze Pro. Measure one side of your glazing strip, adding 3mm to each side. Measure the side of the glazing strip and trim down to the necessary size required. Insert the magnet glaze into a miter block and cut at a 45-degree angle. Repeat this process for all lengths of the MagnetGlaze Pro. Next, attach the MagnetGlaze Pro to the corners of the plastic sheet where they meet. Ensure it overlaps equally on all sides when attached to the window. Make pencil marks around the glazing sheet on the window frame. Then cut and stick the white magnetic strip just inside the pencil lines. This ensures a good seal. Finally, align the frame to the window, ensuring it fits neatly in place. And that concludes our guide. Thanks for watching, and for more information, visit www.sheetplastics.co.uk.